Hi, my name's Emily, and I'm here at the Lippert Technical Institute, where it's our mission to empower the RV community with knowledge so that you not only have the know-how to maintain our products, but to make repairs when your camping experience has literally hit a bump in the road. Today, I'd like to go over the Solera Smart Arm Awning. When it comes to awnings, the complexity of the system can vary from simplistic to elaborate. And the more elaborate awning is the Smart Arm Awning because of all of the automated features it has installed on it. Let's go over the basic makeup and the finer details so that you have the knowledge to maintain this product. When you look at the Solera Smart Arm Awning, you'll notice that it has the same basic makeup as the other Solera awnings. You'll have your drive side arm assembly on the right, the roll tube and fabric in the center, and the idler side arm assembly on the left. But the important side is the drive side arm assembly. This is where all of the components that are specific to the Smart Arm are located. When you come to the bottom of the drive side arm assembly, you may notice the sensor located at the bottom. This is the optional IR sensor that can turn on and off the LED light at the top of the awning. Next, you come to the touchpad. The touchpad is where you can control the awning's retraction and extension and the lights and wind sensor and IR sensor. Moving up the arm assembly, you come to the mount arm. Coming up to the drive side arm assembly, you come to your mount arm that's on the wall of your camper. And then you have your inner arm, your gas strut, your pitch arm, and your outer arm. And these are the 5 basic components that make up the drive side arm assembly and the idler side arm assembly. The gas strut produces 124 pounds to 152 pounds of force to extend and maintain the pitch of your awning. And then you have your pitch arm. This is a manually adjusted pitch arm that you can pull down and adjust the water runoff point and the shade that your awning fabric produces. Now, these are all movable components, so you don't want to place your body parts or anything else that could become damaged or damage your arm assembly in between these parts. Moving up the outer arm, the first thing that you'll notice is this drive side head assembly. This is where the motor is located that operates the awning for extension and retraction. The idler side head assembly follows what the drive side head assembly does when extending or retracting. On the drive side head assembly, you'll notice that there's a rubber grommet, and beneath that rubber grommet is the manual override nut. This can be used in case of emergencies and you need to retract your awning. One part that you won't notice is the wind sensor that's located in the outer arm. This is an optional sensor that will sense the vibration throughout your awning assembly and automatically retract your awning. Now, these assemblies are connected to the roll tube by the shaft and end cap. The roll tube will retract and extend the fabric by wrapping it around itself, but on this roll tube is also the variant code sticker. The variant code sticker will give you the size of the roll tube and the awning fabric in case you ever need to order any replacement parts. Another place for information about ordering replacement parts is at the bottom of the drive side arm assembly. In case you ever do need to order any replacement parts like your arm assemblies, you'll want to make sure that if you are ordering a side-specific part, you order the correct side. So if you're ordering a drive side head assembly, you make sure you order the drive side and not the idler side because they are side-specific and not interchangeable. Also, if you ever need to order replacement parts for your arm assembly, the gas strut and the pitch arm are individually replaceable, but if you have any damage on your outer arm, inner arm, or mount arm, you'll have to replace your whole arm assembly. If you ever perform a manual override, make sure you save and replace this rubber grommet to prevent water from being introduced to that motor and damaging your system.